Welcome to another Big Jimny 5-minute modification. This is one of the simplest modifications you can possibly do, and I know all you people expecting big off-road modifications to go, oh no, another simple one. But it's an irritant on this car. This is again the SZ4, this is the commercial specification, and it's missing a few of those little touches that just make it a bit more user-friendly. And this one was noticed by my wife when I took her out the other day, and that is there's no mirror in the sun visor, so you cannot touch up your makeup as you go along. And it's the same on the driver's side, neither side have got a mirror. So it's a very simple modification to fit a mirror to these. If you look on my web shop, you'll see listed above, you'll see that I'm selling the visors with the mirrors in, and it's a 2-minute job to fix it. So here we go. First things first, here are two different sun visors. Here is the old one which I've already taken off the other side, and as you can see it is completely plain. Here is the replacement one. This one is for the passenger side. So in the UK it's got the markings on it for the UK. If you're buying this from my shop, then please, and you are based abroad, please let me know and we'll see if we can get them with the correct markings for your country on. And as you can see, this one has got a mirror and a handy place for keeping your Big Jimny business cards when you need any parts from the store. It's a very simple fitting with just a hook on the end and a screw there. So all I'm going to do is undo the screw, hook it in, job done. Using a Phillips screwdriver, undo the existing bolt, and unhook the old one, then hook in the new one, and screw it in. And there you go. Mirror fitted. If you like my videos, then please press the like button. If you want to get informed of when new ones are out, then please press subscribe. In the meantime, I'll see you further on down the road.